crisscrossing the country to see people demonstrate their faith. That's part of what I do. But traveling alone is not always fun. So today I'll travel with my friend Sohail. It's my first time on the station, but not Sohail's. He's been here before, and in his own words, he had a calling from a higher power who used to call the city of Ajmer his home. I know Sohail through his music, and his music is what connects him to Ajmer. His uncle and grandfather are both eminent musicians and have often come here to seek inspiration and pay reverence to the Sufi saint Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti. His association to the Dargah is more than just religious. It, according to him, is a spiritual relationship which brings him here more often than not. Originally called Ajay Mayor or the Invincible Hill, Ajmer was founded by Ajay Pal Chauhan in the 7th century. It is a small quiet town with small alleyways and narrow lanes. It's quintessentially a small town and easy enough to get around on foot. But there are plenty of auto rickshaws and cycle rickshaws, and when one travels through them, you can easily see history speak from every corner, reflecting many centuries of occupation by the Afghans, Mughals, and more recently the Rajputs. The Dargah is situated at the foot of the Tara Garh. It is the last resting place of the saint Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti. This marble dome mausoleum is amongst the most important shrines of Muslims and receives numerous visitors of different religions from different parts of the globe. According to legend, the Mughal Emperor Akbar came here in the 16th century to offer prayers for an heir, and the saint obliged him with a son. Today at 7 am, Sohail and I find ourselves amongst at least 4,000 people looking to find their way to pay homage to Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti in his Dargah Sharif. It's a colourful, vibrant place where everybody is equal in their faith and trust for Khwaja Ji.
Ajmer on our way to witness what is called the jewel of the city, the Dargah of Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti, which is one of the most popular and most loved dargahs of our country, where people from all walks of life come here to pay their respects. Extremely popular with our celebrities, be it Amitabh Bachchan, A.R. Rahman, or a horde of other names. And today, we have come here to make a wish, and we're not telling you what that is. Sohail, एकदम इतने लोग 7 बजे सुबह.
It's amazing. It's amazing. I think we should go inside before it gets more crowded.
I know this place has this unusual excitement already, so I can't wait to go in and see what we have to see. Yeah, chalo.
We make our way inside through the Mili, and there is an instant sense of calm. With the sacred chadar and flowers in our hands, we move towards our Hazri at the shrine of the Garib Nawaz. The air is filled with music, with people singing in reverence of the Lord. Yet in the cacophony, there is an undying spirit of love.
बनता बहुत है यहाँ पे. मतलब अगर it's not that you're going there to get something that you really want. It is just the want to connect with him that brings people in such large numbers. ना?
ये ख्वाजा साहब की दरगाह ही है कि सबका निज़ाम चल रहा है. इतने सारे हर तरीके के लोग हैं, हर कास्ट, हर क्रीड, हर कलर के लोग आपको यहाँ मिलेंगे और सब इतनी श्रद्धा से आते हैं कि वो श्रद्धा बयान नहीं की जा सकती.
NDTV's cricket app, Android and iPhone, fastest scorecard, special analysis, and much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.